raise a glass. The fine folks in tennis and, of course, Chef Morimoto.
I'm DJ Mad Linx. This is the Citi Taste of Tennis. You are not gonna believe what you see tonight. You guys having a good time?
Unbelievable. This drop's about to go nuts, too.
Like it's already a tradition. Every time there's a Taste of Tennis, it's me and you at the booth.
I love it. I love it.
Citi Taste of Tennis, this is a fun night. Got some of the best chefs in the world here. We try to hit 3 or 4 of these a year. Hang out with Chef Morimoto. He's got 17 restaurants around the world, tasting sushi. Great night.
We are delighted to be here from Citi for the 6th year in a row.
Being able to be in here with all the chefs and all my colleagues in the alcohol industry, we are with the best chefs in the world, and we are the best rum in the world. So we need to be here.
Okay, so we've got octopus over avocado puree. The octopus has been braised, and it tastes delicious. All credit to this gentleman over here who's doing a great job. I'm more involved in the sort of handing it out, trying to look pretty, hopefully get people over here, because this is some good food.
Tonight, I'm gonna have the sushi demo up on the stage with the Solon Steven, and then I'm going to teach her how to make sushi. So she's gonna be my great sushi.
We're working on a mixtape together. DJ Mad Linx, Sasha Zareb, DJ Sasha. You heard it here first. It's coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
Chef Cedric Tovar has a special guest chef tonight. By the way, it's Serena Williams. Take a look.
I made a crepe, and I'm stealing his crepe because his is a little better than mine. It's amazing.
Thank you so much, Morimoto, for all of your support for Citi Taste of Tennis.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I love the Taste of Tennis because you can try so many different stuff. For foodie people, it's really amazing.
And right now, it's not over. We have Citi Taste of Tennis After Dark. It's going on back there. Once again, your DJ and host, Mad Linx, and it's been an amazing time. I'm glad you had a chance to see some of it. I gotta go. I gotta hop in the Rivero, man. See y'all later.